Hey, it's Rob Jackson with Fandroid.com. I'm here at the NVIDIA booth at Mobile World Congress, and last night NVIDIA just announced, we just saw dual-core phones and come out, the last couple months, but they've already got quad-core. It's running on a tablet right now, and they're going to have these in tablets by August, in phones by December. So, that's ridiculously quick, but it will make your phone and your tablet quicker. Tons of improvements that we want to talk about. So can you give us kind of a little bit of an overview of the processor and what it brings to the table?
Sure. So what we're showing here is it's a code name for our next gen Tegra. It's called Project Kal-El. We announced it last night, and it's running, as you said, here in a tablet. So the tablet's fully functioning. It's the world's first quad core. We're sampling right now 2 customers, so our customers already have samples in the house. In addition to being the world's first quad core, we've put a brand new 12-core GeForce GPU in there as well. So we'll support things like 3D stereo. The other thing we showed, we're not showing here, but we showed last night, is we had it hooked up to a crazy 2560 by 1600 monitor, and we're playing 1440p movies on it. So that's full like Blu-ray. You can take like a Blu-ray, and play it full out. The other thing you can do with that resolution is imagine having a 10.1-inch panel or a tablet, and now you can have 300 DPI on that. So like super high resolution, but on a tablet. So we're just showing it off here. This game is from a company called Wardrum Studios. The game is called Great Battles. And in this scene here, you can see all the soldiers fighting. It's like one of those real-time strategy kind of games. They have over 650 troops that they're playing. This game was originally developed for an Xbox 360, so it's fully multi-threaded. And one of the things Thomas, who's the CEO from Wardrum, was excited about was, on a quad core, now that we have quad core in Kal-El, he can take that same console quality multi-threading that they're using for the PC or console version of the game and now bring it to mobile. So it's not a dumbed-down version of the game. He wants to bring the same game you guys play on your Xboxes or your PS3s, on mobile.
Outside of gaming, what do you think there could be applications?
We're showing a video up top here of web browsing. So today's web browsers are all going multi-threaded as well. So you can see here, this is a benchmark we put together in-house of just panning and quickly loading multiple web pages, and you can see all 4 cores being used. So even common things like browsing the web, we take it for granted on our PC. Part of the reason web browsing is fast on your PC is you got multi-core, CPUs and good GPUs, in your desktop or notebook PC. And we want to bring that to the mobile space as well.
So we already seen products that you guys have codenamed or you're working on, or you will be working on for 2012, 13, 14. First of all, they're all codenamed after superheroes, which is pretty cool. But I think it's the blog post you had was that by 2014 or something, it'll be 76 times more efficient of a processor.
About 75x the perf.
Which is insane. What can users expect though from this first quad-core group of processors NVIDIA compared to the dual-core processors you have now?
Yeah, so the Kal-El compared to a Tegra 2 is going to be roughly 5x the performance. This is a demo that we're showing here. I mentioned Thomas from Wardrum Studios. He got access to Kal-El just here at the show because as we said, I don't know if you heard, but the chip's been back for 12 days now. So pretty amazing that it's back for 12 days. We already got it rocking and rolling in a tablet.
Absolutely.
So we gave him access to it. He sat in here at our booth the other night, coded up the game, and he's already seeing a 3x performance increase, and that's with basically minimal optimizations. So he was fired up. He's like, man, I can do a lot with this.
And in terms of battery life, battery consumption, it should improve battery life, right?
Should improve because by going to 4 cores, you can run them at lower voltages, right? So overall, we expect and our plans is to have better battery life, with Kal-El.
So you've got an improvement first of all from dual core to single core. What's the improvement there? Because it's 5 times more efficient than dual core, but dual cores are now just out, which are improvement over single core. So really, the multiple that you're getting of improvement is pretty ridiculous already.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. And you can see the stuff we're going to be able to do. Gaming, amazing web browsing. You can even paint a picture, imagine some of the cool things you can do in the areas of augmented reality. functionality. So we're pretty excited.
Awesome. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else we missed.
The studio who made the game, you said that it took them only one night to port it to this tablet. Is that something by design, or is that just coincidental?
It's by design as well. I mean, we want to make sure that, compatibility-wise with our drivers and everything, we make it easy for the developers to move from one device to the next. But yeah, we're pretty excited.
And just like, if you want to compare it to something like a Xbox or a PS3, like where would you put Kal-El on that scale? Like how close? Like
we still have headroom. We still have headroom, and that's the good thing, right? And that's why we want to keep raising the bar.
Nice.
And so you should be actually. Your competitors have announced quad-core, but not coming out actually in 2011, right? So
yeah, they said that their first samples, I believe, they said would ship in 2012, with product shipping at the end of 2012.
And here we are with a tablet, NVIDIA tablet that is quad-core. It came back 12 days ago, and we should see this in tablets by August and phones.
We're already shipping samples to our customers.
Awesome. So look out for quad-core powered Android devices in the very near future. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.